1-1 at this time. I think for me, if we trace it to the previous match, I think this is a good performance and there has been an improvement, especially with their defensive abilities. And I'll say so far it's good, but there's still more room for improvement for the Ghana Black Stars.
3 minutes, there's quite a lot of time in football as the Germans commit moment forward in search of the winner here in Stuttgart, Josh Kimmich. Leon Goretzka, the header onto the path of Dennis Undav, and that should certainly be the goal that gives the Germans the win here in Stuttgart. It's been coming. They've been asking questions of the the Ghanaian defense, and the man who plays for the team right here at this venue, that is Undav, the attacker for VfB Stuttgart, who just rolled that one past Benjamin Asari to make it 2-1 to Germany. Oh, that could be an offside. You think that could be an offside? You think VAR could have a check?
Well, I think it all comes to whether if the Ghana Black Stars players appealed for an offside, but you take a look at how Dennis Undav knew that he always had to just push on. Look at Leroy Sané with that header. The first touch from Undav just made it simple for him. Benjamin Asari's calculation was not just fast enough, and Undav just had one thing to do, just stretch his leg to just hit the ball and just go pass by Benjamin Asari. I was thinking that the 1-1 could have been good for Ghana Black Stars, but hey, Germany national team had otherwise, and they just pulled one back. And
so the goal starts. It's 2-1 now. So the German shouted. It looks like they're certainly not done here. As Dennis Undav, the goal scorer, finds Sané. Back to Undav. Has Karl Lehner waiting in the box. At this point, the Germans wouldn't be in a hurry to get another goal. Rush energy drink, a source of energy heading to the World Cup. Your global brand now. The energy drink with ingredients like vitamins, ginseng, moderated caffeine, and that's what every Ghanaian enjoys now. If you feel you've lost energy and you want to replenish it, just grab yourself Rush energy drink. MTN also helping us. There's a Medimafo Herbal Clinic. Dr. Time Dasso has cleaned hand soaps and sanitizers. Anointed Engineering, Haxa mixture and Haxa capsules. Soul Power, Cindy Rice, 5-star energy drink, as well as Pella mineral water. All supporting us to come your way with this commentary from the MHP Arena in Stuttgart, where Germany lead Ghana by 2-1. Just 3 minutes of added on time. A shot there, but Benjamin Asari puts his body behind that ball to make that save. Pretty easy save for him to make.
Yeah, pretty easy save for Benjamin Asari. Decent effort from Leonard Karl, but just too straight to Benjamin Asari to deal with that. You can see that the energy from the Ghana Black Stars has dropped when the second goal came from German national team.
Now 27 now has really got to beat. Leon Goretzka also helping. And I'm trying Semenyo could only fire that one. Quite unlikely and unusual. But again, Dennis Undav giving the ball away cheaply, and that was it again. And that as the sometimes it's interesting where you get to see these dummies and the projections from the VAR. But yeah, Dennis Undav trying his best to stay on side. Just hits that one.
Yeah, Dennis Undav knew that Benjamin Asari has come out from his line, and all he had to do is just stretch to just had a touch on that ball. And any an attacker that had that instinct will know that he just needs to touch the ball and he's going to beat any goalkeeper, and he just did that. And unfortunately, Benjamin Asare came out, but he was beaten on that. Substitution coming from Ghana Black Stars.
So the record has been brought out for Christopher Bonsuba, plays for Al Qatair in the Saudi Pro League, plays in a similar position now, Christopher Bonsuba. And then Kamaldeen Sulemana also thrown in by Coach Otuado, hoping that at least the Black Stars could manage to get something here, but they give the ball away cheaply, and it's not Germany. Dennis Unda spots the run of Furic. Furic cuts back, but David Raum just doesn't get that one so well. Back to Furic, and the dummy there to Kevin. The ball over the top. Unda again, and just doesn't get that one under control, and that's a full-time whistle here at the MHP Arena in Stuttgart, where the German national team has just beaten the Black Stars of Ghana by 2-1. Goals coming from Kai Havertz from the penalty spot, and then also Dennis Unda. But then in between, substitute Abdul Fattah Issahaku also getting the consolation for the Black Stars as they continue to prepare for the upcoming World Cup 2026 in the USA, Mexico, and Canada, which is some 73 days away. But for Coach Otuado, certainly a relatively better performance as compared to that drubbing at the hands of Austria a couple of days ago. Full time, Germany 2, Ghana 1.
Welcome to Malcolm, where shopping is a musical experience for all generations. Granny's Let's Roll It Back.
Malcolm Ghana, we did for you. Malcolm's got it all for me and you. Life made so easy, easy, lemon squeezy, shopping made easy. Sometimes money day, sometimes some way out of pocket. Malcolm's easy. The price is right.
The price is right.
The price is nice.
The price is nice.
Fresh with the vibes, unbeatable. Do the price they fly.
Do the price they fly.
Your number one stop shop, number one. Your number one stop shop, Malcolm. Malcolm Ghana, we did for you. Malcolm's got it all for me and you.
No matter the generation you belong to, Malcolm is where Ghana shops. Bring home the experience.
Now there's more Kivo inside. More to enjoy, more to share. Fortified with iron, zinc, and vitamin A.
More Kivo inside, more joy for you. More Kivo inside, more joy for you. The taste you love made just for you. More Kivo inside, more joy for you. Kivo has got Ghana through and through. Kivo you.
No matter who you are or where you are, Kivo has got you.
Kivo Gary Soaking Mix, taste of Ghana.
Kivo you.
This advert is FDA approved.
Emribi etwam apomuden ho nsem egi ensem ho emma osuru yedin emasase ediawereho enti onyankopon nam da esumu eda enua eni habama ebeji adesama enkwa ekire adujamfi okumanini barima enu akire no adujamfi esa kotra kwayem ededuanan agwamfa nsuo ankana no menu mienu apomuden panti wenti enigisem onyankopon de yare nyina so tumi ahye Dr. Tamda Sonsa gise di wawuo anase yesie no nkoa ene wontimi na yare sabia hode wasiesie ho kama fika krabi baji wa yare sa ewo kumase abuakwa agogo frayen 0244 774282
oyalfo bia kaise udimafo eye midimafo eba clinic Dr. Tamda Sonsa.
Starter, it's too far to dance. Oh,
What? Cry, it's the market image.
Everybody can do what he does.
Be bold, be you, be you. Be bold. Be you. Charlie, be bold. Oh, chairman. Be you. Brothers and sisters, be bold. This year, be you. Let's go. Be bold, be bold, be you. Be bold, be you.
Rush Energy. Be bold, be you.
Excessive drinking can be detrimental to health. Not recommended. Persons under 18 years, lactating mothers, pregnant women, and people sensitive to caffeine. This advert is FDA approved.
Every woman deserves hair that looks and feels amazing. It starts with the right product. BO16. After relaxing, your hair needs serious care. BO16 neutralizing shampoo removes all those relaxer residues and restores your hair's natural balance. Itchy scalp, dandruff wahala, BO16 treatment shampoo will rescue you. Leaves your hair absolutely divine. BO16 detangling conditioner. No more painful tagging and breakage. See how smoothly the comb runs through.
Express yourself
Now you know my secret.
BO16. Express yourself.
This advert is FDA approved. The GC brand. It's all about you. Now there's more Kivo inside. More to enjoy, more to share. Fortified with iron, zinc, and vitamin A.
More Kivo inside, more joy for you. More Kivo inside, more joy for you. The taste you love me, just for you. More Kivo inside, more joy for you. Kivo has got Ghana through and through. Kivo you.
No matter who you are or where you are, Kivo has got you.
Kivo Gary Soaking Mix. Taste of Ghana.
Kivo you.
This advert is FDA approved.
Energy drink. Feel the difference.
Abusua, yade yo, now so wonti na Health Alert Clinic aba. Health Alert Clinic enam herbal any organic products so sankro for yade. Se pa se doctor se wanya diabetes, chronic hypertension, stroke, anase prostate disorder. Enye nonko se usisi ne ye oya, wanya ulcer, wanya menstrual problems, burning sensation wo nemu, ana typhoid, bad cholesterol, syphilis anase gonorrhea wani su techno white. Any de ka ho biara. Wa Madina Post Office, First Atlantic Bank no repair. For 0242 518893 and 0242 518865. Health Alert Clinic. Let's go herbal.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, actually, the final touch that we have it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Take 5 minutes, guys.
Be
People, the hustle is real, but Ghanaians are pushing it. I have been so inspired by what people are doing. If you now you know do for yourself, nobody will do for you. So you for now.
Every step, every story, and every hustle. We're backing your journey. Together, let's build that dream from the start to something spectacular. MTN.
Welcome to Malcolm, where shopping is a musical experience for all generations. Granny's Let's Roll It Back.
Malcolm got now we did for you. Malcolm's got it all for me. Life made so easy, lemon squeezy, shopping made easy. Sometimes money day, sometimes some way out of pocket. Malcolm's easy. The price is right.
The price is right.
The price is nice.
The price is nice.
Fresh with the vibes, unbeatable. Do the price they fight.
Do the price they fight.
Your number one stop shop, number one. Your number one stop shop, Malcolm. Malcolm got now we did for you. Malcolm's got it all for me and you.
No matter the generation you belong to, Malcolm is where Ghana shops.
Bring back home the experience.
Bring home the experience.
Today's class is going to be an exciting one. Now, who can share an unforgettable moment in their life? Okay, Asempa.
I'd like to talk about my first time. It was her natural look, complemented by her favorite green silky apparel that caught my attention. I have to say, she automatically possessed me with her smile, which exposed her beautiful white teeth. Madam, why do you look so surprised? I'm talking about Cindy Rice. Cindy Rice can be found in selected supermarkets nationwide.
Cindy Rice, sweet aroma, great taste.
This advert is FDA approved.
Anointed Executive Apartments is a new luxury destination located at Bowway Zero. This exclusive 12-unit apartment complex is thoughtfully designed with ultra-modern finishes and elegant interiors. Anointed Executive Apartments offers a refined relaxation experience, welcoming guests of all backgrounds, cultures, and nationalities. Choose from our spacious 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, or 3-bedroom apartments, each crafted for comfort, style, and convenience. Enjoy breathtaking moments at our rooftop bar, the perfect space for fresh air, meetings, and entertainment. Book your stay at Anointed Executive Apartments today.
Welcome to Malcolm, where shopping is a musical experience for all generations. Granny's Let's Roll It Back.
Malcolm got now we did for you. Malcolm's got it all for me and you. Life made so easy, lemon squeezy, shopping made easy. Sometimes money day, sometimes some way out of pocket. Malcolm's easy. The price is right.
The price is right.
The price is nice.
The price is nice.
Fresh with the vibes, unbeatable. Do the price they fight.
Do the price they fight.
Your number one stop shop, number one. Your number one stop shop, Malcolm. Malcolm got now we did for you. Malcolm's got it all for me and you.
No matter the generation you belong to, Malcolm is where Ghana shops.
Bring back home the experience.
Bring home the experience.
All right, back into the studios. We've seen what our national team says they can do. I've always been asking one key question, and one key question only. What was the intent or the purpose of these two international friendlies? Was it to let Ghanaians know that we have a good team? Was it for the coach or the coaches or the technical team to also try out players who were invited into camp? What was the essence of players sitting on the bench without having playing time? How will we effectively choose our final squad for the FIFA World Cup? I mean, these and many more questions are what a lot of people are asking. There's one school who believe that, well, if the first game we conceded 5 and it's been delimited to 2, at least we have done well. Others are looking at it from a different perspective. Technical coaches have a technical eye, and there's a reason and a purpose for some of these matches. I've got Yao Preko and Maxwell Konedu still here with me. We'll wrap this up as quickly as we can. Gentlemen, thank you very much for your time and your patience. Yao, so, okay, I don't want to get into the emotions. What should we do now? Are we satisfied with what we saw?
But the
are we
question is,
competent enough to put a team ready for the FIFA World Cup?
if I'm one of the players, I'll be upset. If I'm Bonsuba or Kamadin and Maxwell is even saying Kamadin is the oldest player in the team. One of the oldest.
Yes, he's been around for a while.
To come and play 2 minutes. 2 minutes, they didn't even touch the ball.
Why?
So we can't tell from here, but only the coaches, only the technical team can say if the objective have been achieved.
Have been met.
Yes,
okay.
Because trust me, after this game, some of them will do a lot of ice bath a lot because like Semenyo, he played almost 90 minutes. He played 90 minutes in his club, played 90 minutes, almost 90 minutes last game, and then another 90 minutes. So there are so many questions to ask, and but at least we didn't disgrace ourselves.
All right. I'm sure a lot of Ghanaians out there will also have their thoughts, their views and opinions. So we'll put the phone number on the screen. Let's do a little bit of the phone call to see the reactions that will come before we wrap up and bounce out of the studio. Coach Maxwell.
Yeah.
I mean, one of the salient points you've always been raising for the 2 matches. Do we have a plan? Do we have a vision? What is the intent? What is the purpose of these international friendly games? Obviously, it is to put ourselves in readiness for the FIFA World Cup.
Yeah.
And it's one of the reasons why coaches would invite as many players as they can so they can have a fair idea of what qualities I have. So you have players sitting on the bench. We have played Vienna. First 45 minutes, we didn't do a change. We were down by 3. The winning team had already changed 3 players. There was a purpose. There was a plan. I didn't see any in our match today.
That is what we've been talking about behind the scenes. At least you can clearly see that in both games, look at how our opponents handled the situations. Whether they were leading, they were drawing, or they were losing.
Yeah.
They will make that change. There are players you need to talk to them and give them playing time. Like say you are playing 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Some are playing 65, 70, 50. Let the players know that you have this number of minutes to play. What you do with it is up to you.
It's up to you.
So when it gets to that time and he's coming out, he knows you've discussed with him already.
Exactly.
But we treated these friendly matches as a league match or a World Cup, like a very competitive World Cup 3 points match. That is how I saw it. Because had it not been that, Semenyo, Jordan, who have played,
at least let them rest.
Let them rest and let Bonsuba, Kamadin, let's see them as well. You know, some people even came and never kicked the ball and they are going back home. So I don't think we met our goals.
All right. 055-846-2088, 055-846-2088 is the number to call. The number is on the screen. Give us a call. We have just a few minutes so we can say goodbye. At least it's all come to an end. We have lost both games. Any lessons learned? If you think that we have, please do give us a call and share your thoughts with us. From this, after this game, the team will assemble again, but this time they'll be heading into FIFA World Cup camp, as it were, which means that we may not have the flexibility of players justifying their inclusion, as it were. So what will be the purpose? What will be the basis for selecting the final squad for the senior national team, the Black Stars? Let me go quickly to Kwabena and talk to Michael. Hello, Michael.
My problem was to change the goalkeeper.
Your problem was to change the goalkeeper?
Yes, please.
Okay, please, can you explain? What do you mean by to change the goalkeeper?
My problem was to change the goalkeeper.
What was the problem?
To change the goalkeeper? Yeah, yes, please. Okay, please, what do you mean by that? No, the thing is that...
Hello? All right, so 055-846-2088. Please, when you call, do lower the volume of your radio set or TV set or turn it off completely so that we can hear you loud and clear. So, Michael from Kwabenya, if you can, do give us a call again. He was saying that his problem was the goalkeeper. Was there a problem with the goalkeeper?
No, the Asare should have also been changed after the first 45 minutes to at least see the third goalkeeper, what he can also bring on board.
Okay, so I understand what he meant. Okay. So we invited players. Some managed to play. In fact, some played full-time. They played full-time twice. And we were also thinking that because it is for us to also assess the team, the qualities that we have, we should have seen other players perform. Somebody sent a message and was asking me that, was it not the same coach who said we don't have full-backs? Did he give opportunity to the other players? That's a question for Coach Otoado to answer. But I don't know about you, but if you think that we have learned any lessons or otherwise, please give us a call and share your thoughts with us. I still have my two coaches here. They will do the technical explanations to the best of our understanding, as it were. And so, like I said, unfortunately, we played two matches, quality-friendly matches. We have lost both. It doesn't mean that we can't put a team together for the World Cup. We definitely will. But a lot of Ghanaians are very expectant of this current crop of Black Star players. And so they would have wanted or loved to have seen a better performance. Yes, somebody will say that we performed today because the loss was a narrow loss. I think I do have someone on the line. Let me go to Kaswa and talk to Lion. Hello, Lion.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
All right, good evening. Thank you very much. Please share your thoughts with us. What's on your mind?
I didn't see any sense in Coach Otoado inviting that lot of players if he knew he wasn't going to give them an opportunity to play.
Okay.
He should have at least allowed those new guys to play, because what was the essence of inviting those guys? Was it not to have a strong bench for the World Cup tournament?
Yes.
And players like Jordan Ayew and Semenyo shouldn't have lasted for that 90 minutes.
Okay.
These are players who had already established themselves.
Yes.
So at least opportunity should be given to the other guys. And this, our Edu guy, the striker, I don't know who coaches him how to strike. I realize he fancied running so much and playing the football so much than putting the ball in the net. He wasn't shooting, he wasn't doing anything. We only defended throughout this game. We were lucky to have that opportunity that Ishaku finished.
Yeah.
We only played defense throughout the game. So does it mean that without Kudus Mohamed, a creative midfielder, we will not be able to process ball or to move forward? Then who is going to play in place of Kudus Mohamed should he is injured or is not around? Don't you have a lot of players to do that job? I think, and Coach Marcel Kunedu, good evening, sir. I think when you are sitting in the opposition, we need you at the Black Star coaching staff. We need you there. These are the crop of players you can work very well with.
Yeah.
We need you there. Yeah. We know what you can do, Coach. No, don't excuse yourself this time. Coach, we need you there.
All right.
You very much,
Thank you, Lion. Thank you, Lion, calling from Kaswa. We appreciate your thoughts. We appreciate concerns. In fact, the questions you are asking is basically what we are all talking about. That what was the essence of the friendly matches? Was it just to give some players confirmation of their being selected to the FIFA World Cup? What about the other French players? What about the new talent that we brought on board? And sometimes this is so disheartening.
So now I'm thinking about a lot of stuff.
I can imagine.
I'm looking at our team from the point of view that if we lose Jordan Ayew, for whatever reasons, you see, the link between the midfield and attack will be gone. Have we talked about that? if we don't bring somebody who can also like the Ashimero type, then now Jordan is playing that role very well. So if we lose Jordan,
and he can't do all. Anyway, let me get back to the phone lines. Let me talk to Kingsford. Is it from Izima? Kingsford.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much for giving us a call. Quickly, share your thoughts with us.
Yeah. Good evening to you and Coach Mark. I think I'm very much disappointed in our teaching, our technical team. Just as you were discussing on the show, I felt about we should have tried all other players. You look at that guy, the guy that you also listed. These are something that we as Ghanaians wanted to look going into the media. Are these type of players going to help in case our first choice players are not playing, are not well enough to play? But it's a whole lot of things. I was a bit impressed with the taking up and performance, but just as I'm discussing at this team, I felt we should have tried other options. So that in the effect that we are not having not having Kudus Mohammed to play in the Mundial. This group of players we can trust. I think Bernard Atari, the organization for the back line too, didn't bad at all. He was able to put together the back line supposed to be much as compared to a previous game against Australia.
Okay.
I think we need to we have Coach Mark. We need to give some advice to our team. We are going for we are Ghanaians and rally behind the team. We still going to the Mundial and have some better performance. Rather, thank you very much.
All right. Thank you very much sharing your thoughts with us. And again, like I said, these are concerns of almost every Ghanaian. Because every Ghanaian wants to see the Black Stars perform. Everybody wants to see the Black Stars dazzle. They are the cynosure of all eyes when they get into tough competitions like the FIFA World Cup. And so we were all expecting that at least we will see how the coach shapes the team for the betterment of us all. Let me go to Ashaiman. I think I have Pamela on the line. Hello, Pamela.
Yeah, for me, the kids did a great job. But the problem I have is, you see, when Ghana Black Stars, when they get the ball, instead of them playing towards where they come back to where they score them. And that's very bad.
Okay.
Yeah, instead of them playing towards where they can score, they rather come back where they'll score them. And that's very bad. I feel that for the Germans, they don't do that. They rather go to where they will score rather than coming back to their pole. But for Ghanaians, oh nah, that's very bad.
Yeah, Pamela, you're right on point, and I'm sure that at least what you're saying is one of the key observations you saw in the game. But we're just hoping that between now and June, we can put a steady team together for positive performance. Thank you very much for your thoughts. Gentlemen, I'll take your final words before we bounce out of the studio. We are hearing that there are some other friendly matches lined up or coming up. We're hoping that these reactions that we're sharing would find its way into the quarters of the GFA so that at least they can also share with the technical team, the players, what Ghanaians are thinking of and are thinking about. Maybe we would see the other players, the other fringe players, get an opportunity. What do you think?
We hope so, because in terms of the two matches, we didn't do some of the players justice at all. And we've all been there. Trust me, you enter your room and you frown and pick a phone and call your agent or call home and say, oh, you know, you get to your club and then they said, hey, when they call national team, you just pick your bag and you are gone. And go and play 3 minutes and come here. It's a waste. Is it worth it? So,
all right.
Hopefully, you know, we can have more friendly matches for, so that we can see the others.
Shape the team.
Because
Coach Maxwell?
Yeah, at least now we have to be happy for just losing 2-1. And But going forward, I think in the next friendly matches, we want to see Semenyo, the Jordans, the Asaris
taking a back
seat for others to play. We need to assess players critically before we take them to the World Cup.
Okay.
And let's say a big thank you to all our viewers and everybody who is supporting this program.
Sure.
I think it has been a very wonderful experience.
Yes,
these two games.
It has been.
Lessons well learned.
Well listened. Thank you very much. And so we would also say a very big thank you, first of all, to our panel members, coaches Yao Preku and Maxwell Kunedu, for joining us for the 2 games. We've been educated well enough with not only their presence, but their thoughts, their mind. Exactly. And let's also say a very big thank you to our proud sponsors and partners, Soul Power, for all the effort when it comes to solar energy. We told you about it. Haxer Mixture and Haxer Capsules, also known as Ulcer Townful, they have played a role, and a yeoman's role at that. Rush Energy Drink has kept us active for the entire duration of the 2 matches. We couldn't have done this without them, so we say thank you very much to them. So do we say thank you to Anointed Engineering, a CT Vet accredited school that is offering hands-on training on electricals and controls. The GC brand, thank you once again for all that you have done for us, reminding us of how sanitizing ourselves in terms of our health would keep us fit and strong. Dr. Time Daso, as always, thank you very much for all the wonderful support that you've given us. You have told us what to do, especially patients with strokes, with diabetes, blood pressure, and of course, chronic diseases, not forgetting typhoid. Dr. Time Daso is the place to be. MTN says queue no more. They've made it very, very easy when it comes to swapping our MTN SIMs. Dial *1 333 hash, *1 333 hash, and you can get your MTN SIM swap done as easy as possible. My name is Prince Anand. Thank you very much once again, one and all. Let's all have a very good night. We'll still keep saying a prayer for the senior national team, the Black Stars. Hopefully, we will come your way again with other international friendlies when they are due. Until then, it's bye for now.